guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share screen in FaceTime. Let's start. So the beauty of, having FaceTime, or pretty much if you're an iPhone user and you have an Apple device and you can do FaceTime, may it be iPad or may it be like your iPhone really. Nowadays, having this is very convenient because it's like you're already working on a computer. Like you can pretty much do almost everything that a computer can do. So in this case, for this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a share screen, when you are doing your FaceTime. So see, it's very convenient. It's just like when you're doing a Zoom call. I can definitely do this when I'm on a meeting and if I need to share screen for some important images or for some files, then definitely I can do that. So I'm just using here a sample screenshot courtesy of support.apple.com. If you would wish to use screen share, all you need to do is just tap. So if you could see the icon with the person in monitor beside the video icon, guys, that's how you would actually, screen share. So in this case, I do have a screenshot here for, just doing a sample FaceTime call earlier. In this case, it's not available because I was doing a screen share or like airtime or airplay however you call it. But in this case, if I tap on that, this is how it would look like share screen. This is also where your share play would also pop up, so you can just choose the applicable apps that would run on share play, where you could actually stream or watch a movie together with the person you called, which we do have another video tutorial for that. Just subscribe to our channel to learn more. So there, I hope you learn how to share my screen through this video. Please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.